Legal eye drafting tools versus junior associates. Which one is better for fast document drafting? Most law firms assume that junior associates are the fastest solution for drafting documents, but the surprising truth is that legal eye tools can often outperform humans for speed, consistency, and efficiency, especially when volume matters. Junior associates are trained to draft contracts, memos, and legal documents under supervision. They provide nuance, judgment, and attention to legal subtleties that I may miss. However, drafting dozens of similar contracts or repetitive clauses can quickly become time-consuming and expensive. For example, a corporate law department preparing hundreds of NDAs or standard service agreements every month may see delays and rising costs relying solely on associates. Legal eye drafting tools, on the other hand, leverage natural language processing and machine learning to generate drafts quickly. They can auto-populate templates, suggest clause alternatives, and ensure compliance with internal policies. iDoesn't can process multiple documents simultaneously and reduces human errors in repetitive drafting tasks. Many organizations now integrate eye with human review, allowing associates to focus on higher value tasks such as negotiation strategy, legal risk assessment, or complex clauses. The key difference is efficiency versus judgment. eye excels in volume, consistency, and speed, while junior associates provide critical thinking, creativity, and legal nuance. The best approach for fast document drafting is a hybrid model. Use eye tools to generate initial drafts or handle high-volume repetitive documents, and then have associates refine, negotiate, and ensure legal accuracy. The takeaway is clear: businesses and law firms that leverage eye for drafting can dramatically reduce turnaround times and costs while still maintaining high-quality legal review. The surprising truth is that eye isn't replacing lawyers, it's empowering them to focus on what humans do best, while letting machines handle the repetitive workload. For any law department or firm handling high-volume drafting, understanding the strengths of eye versus junior associates ensures faster delivery, reduced errors, and smarter allocation of legal talent.